Welcome to Convenience Repair Plus. This is Murshid again. Today I'm here with a quick answer for Remarkable 2 repair. So, common issue again, power button as you can see. So, I'm not sure you guys can see it not. Here's the power button and power button, same issue. We have the customer label and we don't put any label yet, but I know this is the one we just received. So same thing, power button stuck. So the answer, actually the question and answer today, if we repair the power button, the damaged one, after repair this, is going to happen again or not? This question every single customer, I guess, asked us. The guarantee that is not going to happen again, because when we fix the current one, replace or repair whatever, we must have to clean around the keycap to make it loose and free, you know. So, and we are gonna make sure like enough gap between the cap and the metal. Okay, so in the future, if it is dropped again, then it should not be damaged or jammed again, because we will keep enough gap, so it's going to adjust it. And I would say I like to share I think 2 customers, they call back and they contact us later. One customer almost like 7 months later, and the other customer like 3 months later. They call back and they share their experience. They dropped again in the same corner. Is bent, but the power button did not damage or did not stuck again. So that means they're able to use like as it is, like, you know, like loose and everything is working fine. They just give us a call back to give us the feedback. So I'm very excited to share this information that after drop off, it should not be happen again. If it is happen again within 3 months or a year, if you ship the device to us, no cost, no additional cost. You just have to pay for the shipping cost for sending us, and return shipping cost you have to pay, and the labor we will service the free for first 1 year. If it is damaged again and jumped again after we repair it. So if you guys are watching this video, and please record, or if you need to remind me about the warranty of the year, just remind me if I forget about that. But I'm giving my statement in this video. 1 year, if it is happening again, stuck, jam, power button, need to redo the power button, we will do it free. You just have to pay for the shipping cost. But if you are local, just drop by and we will take care of it for you. So this was the answer for today. Remarkable power button, jam, stuck, damage, whatever the case for the power button, we can take care of for you. And of course, you are not going to lose any data, and you will see all the data is there after repair the power button. So that's the good thing. And if you have any question, feel free to give us a call during store hours. We open Monday to Friday, 9 AM to 6 PM. Friday 2 hours close, which is 1 PM to 3 PM. And Saturday we open 5 hours just for receiving and picking up the device, not fully operational. So the Saturday is 10 AM to 3 PM. If you like to ship to your Remarkable 2 or any electronic device to repair or diagnosed or check, whatever the case, you can ship the device to us. Our store address is 1829 Lakewood Ranch Blvd, Bradenton, Florida. And our phone number is 941-567-6431.